Welcome to Cedar Hill State Park, Texas. It's the perfect place for family getaway and escape from the hustle and bustle of the Metroplex. If you like nature, camping, fishing, picnic, barbecue grilling, even the mountain bikers and hikers comes here to relax by exploring the park trails. Or if you like to just breathe and have fresh air, it's a perfect place to hang out with your family, friends, having beers, barbecue. Now my husband is setting up our camp tent. Children 12 years and under are not charged. However, it's $7 per day entrance fee and it's $25 per day for overnight stays. The campsites have electric connections and freshwater hookups with a limit of 8 people per campsite. They do have bathrooms and shower at any corners. So if you want to get washed or clean up, there is no problem. There is a bathroom and toilets. We stayed here for 2 nights and 2 days. Here you can see my husband set up solar lights, so we do have bright light at night. And we also brought our gas barbecue grill in case we are out of wood. They do sell firewoods by the entrance. So we are really ready for this. We have coolers, beers, and sodas, and we brought our pack of ice. We do have a lot of ice to chill our vegetables and meat. We marinated our meat already. Here, as you can see, we set up our air bed. It's an air bed. It's easy setup inside our camp tent, so we can have a good rest at night. It's early spring, so it still gets chilly at night. So we need to collect more firewoods for our campfire. And here is my husband picking up, collect more woods for our fire. And you're not allowed to cut down those trees, so you just pick up some of those dead branches already lying around the ground and to add it up to our firewoods. If you can save money, hey, why not? I mean, you know, you can use all those dead branches already and add it up to your campfire or grilling. Here is my sister-in-law. She's setting up her easy up tent that she just bought. It's really new, and trust me guys, this is a lot easier to set up. It's the way to go if you are camping nowadays. If you have children, especially you have kids and children, it's quick and easy to set up. It's quick and easy to take down. So no sweat compared to a regular tent. Now we're starting to fire our woods to light them up and prepare for our grilling our dinner. For our first night, I'm on my keto diet, so we cook. Both me and my husband is on keto diet, so we're cooking this trail burger with only vegetables, mushrooms, onions, asparagus, and broccoli. So that's all for our dinner. I pretty much felt full after that with just meat and vegetables. You just have to eat a lot of vegetables. So this is the perch pond. It's part of the Cedar Hill State Park, and it's perfect place. You can bring your kids to fish with you, so it's pretty safe, secure place for fishing. It's fun. We did not catch any fish during that day. It's afternoon, and the fish were not biting at all. It was just there. But yeah, maybe you're lucky next time you're coming to visit here. My husband caught that turtle by his bait, and we threw him back to the pond. So it's just me and my husband and my sister-in-law and her friends and boyfriend, family, fishing. And along with this perch pond, on the other side is the Jopo Lake. It is also awesome place for you to go fishing. And here is the Jopo Lake, just beside the perch pond. This perfect Jopo Lake is perfect place for picnic, barbecue grilling, just hanging out with your family, boating, swimming, fishing, of course. Yeah, we have a lot of picnic tables and chairs around that you can just choose which location you want to be. It's very peaceful. And now we headed to the The Penn farm. The Penn farm is very historical. Now we are entering and going there, and you can see a lot of farming tools, machinery that were used during the 1800 and 1900. So pretty old long time ago farm. In 1854, John Anderson Penn and his family settled in the cedar covered hills of southwest Dallas County, which is this place. And the Penn family farm, which dates back to the 1800s, and they donated this farm, and is now an official state park. So I'm showing you all this old times farm machinery that they used to operate and use in this particular farm long time ago. This place is perfect for engagement or wedding pictorials. It's really cool, and it's also perfect for hanging out with your family and kids, throwing balls and just playing around, spend time with them. Kids really love it. There's a lot of place to go run and just play. And that is my husband and my best friend's baby, and he decided to call him daddy, which is funny, but it's so sweet. So there's a lot of beautiful, lovely place going around and learning a lot of stuff about this very old farm, seeing those old time machinery. Those are blue bonnets. They're the state flower of Texas. Thank you for watching.